Hey guys, how you doing? Well, Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing April 2025 Patreon Part 6. We'll be looking at some Patreons on My Mini Factories for your D&D 3, D&D Warhammer proxies and figures for your 3D printing needs. Link for these will be down below. Please subscribe, like, and share if you enjoy it. And let's get to it. We got Hairbrush Studios, another good STL file for figures. If you like a lot of big old bitty girls. So it looks like we got this one that's coming up. That looks really good. And this one as well. This one I really want. There's other characters from Zero's Own Limitless I really do want. I don't really play the game. I tried it a few days and I didn't really kind of like it. I just like the girls that are in it in many ways. But yeah, check them out. Let's see. Next is Abby 3D. This is their month. We got Rogue, Android 18, Daphne, Cortana, Katana Bombshell, April, and Portiro Golden, and your welcome pack as well. They are very good figures. I printed some of those stuff. I think I actually painted one at least. Yeah, go check them out in many ways. Another one is Abba Blam. Let me see. They posted anything April 10th. We got some kind of demon girls. They do big old biddies. How about that? This is the welcome pack that comes with it as well. Next is Balsk Star. This is D&D. This is this month. It's gonna be more of an Egyptian theme. If you want that with big old biddies for your thing as well, you can actually proxy that one from the Tomb King and probably some of these ones as well. But you should go check them out. I just realized that when I looked at it because I do have this piece, the Sphinx, for it. War Machine. This one. Let's see here. I think this is the welcome pack. This is like the what you call it, Warhammer proxy. I'm testing out. It's basically this is like the Dark Eldar, I'll say, for it. But April a release figure for the Diggers. So yeah, I'm just testing them out, see how it is. I liked it because of this, because I do have a little piece of the Dark Eldars, but I don't have all of them. Fancy Service STL. This was from last month. You would get as well. But yeah, it's again big old biddies. We are getting Emma Frost. We got Varcel is ready. We got Luna. I wish they made their boobs a bit bigger. I probably like that better. Gauze Minis. This one. Oh, we can watch for it. We have Sisters of Battle proxies. Looks like it. Looks like a tech priest for Sisters of Battle, or you can use that for Mechanicus, I believe. Don't know. But yeah, you got a furry. Little big old biddies. Big old biddies. And you got, looks like a Egyptian girl, ranger. Looks like it. I do want to do a desert campaign though, and there's Sisters of Battle. There's a Bard Thiefling. I'll probably gonna put that in my Sisters of Battle. I do have the old school Combat Patrol of the Sisters of Battle, not the new one. I'm probably gonna pick up the new one as well. Once I'm done with my, champion of Slanesh, I'll probably work on some other armies. I do want to play them really bad. I do want to get some of the tanks, even though I don't like them. Tell you, look, he's probably better 3D printed, but it is one of those things that we're probably going to. But yeah, there's that. And this is the welcome pack as well. You have corn because you got the horn for it and stuff. That's funny. Labyrinth. I think this is this month for Labyrinth. It's coming up. This is the welcome pack that comes with it. April set. We're getting dwarves. Okay, we're getting dwarves this month. Uh, I know these guys were part of the old world, but I gotta look more into it. Um, that's May preview. But yeah, that has a better, bigger picture of it. That looks a lot better to see. Yeah, dwarves. Yeah, freaking too many dwarf files, especially orcs as well. Quest Wagon. This is another Warhammer proxy. I think they do mostly Sisters Battle. Looks like we got some Necrons. Uh, looks like it. Some weird proxy for Necrons. I might be wrong. It looked like really not that great. I like that one. That one looks a lot cooler. But oh well. Let's see what happens. Moonlight Minis. This is I think this D&D stuff. So it looks like I got some mouse folks and some fighters for it. I think the vault is the walrus folk and goblins. Let's see what we got. Mirror Knight. That's okay. I would actually get a more reflective paint. I know they have chrome that could probably work a lot better for that paint job. That was I think last month as well. So I don't think April has been fully released. Only think monthly release, March release. Oh, this is March, not April yet. So yeah, we gotta probably find out later on. RN Studio. This is their mine me factory version of it. The one patron and this one is totally different. So we got some knights. Looks like a halfling knight. That's good. But yeah, that's cool. Knights are always great. Flesh Studio. This is also another proxy. Uh, but like I don't know all the factions or all the three Warhammer games, but it's also pretty good for D&D, especially that one. If I make it glow and stuff, I'm started figuring out how to use LED lights inside the miniature, especially the big ones. I really want to do with clear resin. I think that is one of those things. Primal, D&D stuff as well. Welcome pack, yeah, a lot of shit. And I think this is the April one that's coming up. Looks like they just took Conan the Barbarian and just redid the minis for it, in my opinion. Magas is like Orc Warhammer. So they got the Nurgle version of kind of it. They did a lot. They do a lot of stuff. We got Old Zod. I do need Old Zod for my guys. That'll be actually really helpful. They got different opinion banners and stuff. But yeah, check them out. You need miniatures? We are getting Bunny Blood Bowl. Yeah, Uruguay is a referee. But yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I'm actually gonna get some Blood Bowl miniatures printed and actually paint some and try to see if someone actually plays the game. 'Cause I've never seen anyone play it. Gotia Miniatures Madhouse. This is D&D. So it's like more of a horror-like as well. Oh man, these are kind of be cool to have for my undead. This could be like asylum stuff. That's pretty cool. Uh, Next is Madhouse. Welcome to your. The reason why I got them because they have big old biddies on a lot of their monsters. This was March models. I don't know what's gonna be for April. Yeah, hopefully it's a lot more big old biddies in my opinion. But yeah, they're pretty cool. Eight Legs Bitches, a Warhammer proxy as well. They just they got shorter blades release. I think this would be good for the Dark Angels and the Black Templars. Probably the Grey Knights for the books. But yeah. And we got Blood Skull like Corn's Rhino. So this what I'd like to. I would like Games Workshop to do this with their freaking kits. Like different demons have different freaking kits. Like you have Corn. I have a Nurgle one that had a 3D print, but I found like one Slanesh one. I'm pretty much going to 3D print in many ways. But this is 40k proxies if you're interested. Studio Soul. This will be the last one of the night. This one is more provocative. They do release stuff. Was their last month for it, but this is like kind of. I'm trying to make a cyberpunk game, so this is actually pretty good for cyberpunk prints. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.